2 Best Spark Plugs for Ford Ranger. Spark plugs were produced to ignite your engine and supply high voltage via the ignition cable, to power the engine. But anytime this cable fails, the voltage can never supply power through the coil to the spark plugs, which means your engine will fail to ignite. Although it all depends on how badly the cables are malfunctioning, the car might not run or might run slowly. Your car spark plugs are supposed to be changed from time to time, just as was instructed in the Ford user manual. Though sometimes you won't be required to change your spark plugs anytime soon, especially when it fires all cylinders properly. When you notice changes in the sound of the engine, or maybe it doesn't fire very well, then it's time for a replacement. Here are the 2 best spark plugs for the Ford Ranger we recommend. But before we dive in, quickly click on the subscribe button, like and share. We'll be back after the break. The Bosch Platinum Plus 4 Spark Plugs. The Bosch brand happens to be the global leader in the supply of automobile parts with years of experience in ignition systems. This product was designed with an air gap to prolong it and produce a quality spark. It came with a good electrode tip for better performance and durability. It is gapped to be easily installed. It allows good fuel mileage, produced at the standard of OE, current price on Amazon. The Motorcraft SP400 Suppressor Spark Plug. This spark plug was produced to satisfy the standard of the Ford Ranger. All Motorcraft spark plugs are of good quality and are the best on the market. Motorcraft spark plugs deliver better products, better usage, good production procedures, and can be easily installed. Below are some of its features. Produced to supply greater voltage, reduction of an engine misfire, produced to prolong your engine, makes the car perform well. Current price on Amazon. Best place to buy spark plug for Ford. The Motorcraft Center. This spare part company is the best when it comes to the ignition system. They offer the best spark plug with high quality for your Ford Ranger. The Walmart. One of the best departmental stores in the United States, with years of quality reputation in selling high-quality products, at an affordable price. The Halfords Company. This company happens to be among the best car suppliers. They sell car parts and spark plugs for Ford Ranger. Amazon. This is one of the best online shopping malls known globally to sell good and high-quality products, at a discount price. AutoZone. Here is another good automobile supplier with years of experience in ignition systems and the best place to buy your spark plugs for the Ford Ranger. eBay. Another online shopping mall where you can buy your spark plugs for Ford Ranger at a discounted price. Where to get spark plugs replaced? Your mechanic. Here is one of the top automotive repair stations you can have your spark plugs replaced. To replace your spark plugs, visit your mechanic. Champion Auto Parts. Another place to have your spark plugs replaced. They are the best supplier of quality auto parts and also do repairs. Halfords Company. This company happens to be among the best when it comes to car supplies. They sell car parts and spark plugs for Ford Ranger and also offer repair services. Ford Ranger Spark Plug Wire Replacement. Spark plug wires were produced to ignite your engine and supply high voltage via the plugs to power the engine. But anytime this cable fails, the voltage can never supply power through the coil to the spark plugs, which means your engine will fail to ignite. Although it all depends on how badly the cables are malfunctioning, the car might not run or might run slowly. Here are what to do. Ensure the scanning of the vehicle. Ensure the inspection of the spark plug wire. Have the wires tested. Take off and change wires that are bad. Then have the spark plugs inspected. All spark plug wires need to be changed once it reaches 60,000 miles. However, anytime there is servicing on your vehicle, then you need them to inspect the wires too. And also, once you change your spark plugs, ensure you change the wires as well so that the vehicle will run perfectly. I hope this video was educational. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like and share for more videos. Bye.